Baingan might look simple, but it can be transformed into truly delicious dishes. Today we're making two popular recipes, the crispy Masala Baingan Fry and the smoky Baingan Ka Bharta. Let's begin with the Masala Baingan Fry. For this, take a medium-sized baingan and slice it into thin, round pieces. Now in a mixing bowl, add 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste, coriander powder, cumin powder, red chili powder, chaat masala, salt to taste and a squeeze of lemon juice. Mix well to form a masala paste. Now coat all the baingan slices evenly with this masala. Now take some suji in a flat dish, sprinkle a little salt and mix. Coat each slice with suji for that extra crunch. Now heat oil in a pan and fry the baingan slices on medium flame until they turn crispy golden brown on both sides. Your masala baingan fry is ready to serve. Now let's move to the second recipe, Baingan Ka Bharta. For this, take a large baingan, make 6 small slits and brush it with a little oil. Now roast directly over an open flame for 8 to 10 minutes, turning every 1-2 minutes so it cooks evenly. Now prick with a fork to check if it's soft inside. Once done, dip it in cold water, peel off the charred skin and mash it well. Now heat oil in a pan, add chopped garlic, ginger, green chilies and onion. Saute till the onions turn soft. Now add tomatoes, salt, red chili powder, coriander powder and turmeric. Mix well, cover and cook until the tomatoes turn soft and pulpy. Now add the mashed baingan and mix thoroughly. Cover and cook for 3 to 4 minutes, stirring occasionally. Now garnish with fresh coriander leaves and served hot with roti or paratha. And that's it, 2 amazing baingan recipes. The crispy masala baingan fry makes the perfect snack or side dish, while the smoky baingan ka bharta pairs beautifully with hot rotis. Try them at home and enjoy the magic of baingan in 2 completely different flavors. For more such easy recipes, subscribe to Times Foodie.